What's happening? Everybody down there. If you seen the last video, you pretty much got an idea of what I've been up to and how come I haven't been here in so long. And if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. Like, pause this video right now. Go check that one out. And if you have seen that video, then you're awesome. And I greatly appreciate that. And even if you haven't, I still appreciate you because you're here. But you should really pause the video now and go check that one out. I'm not playing. Go pause it. For reals. Go check it out. Because that's the point of this, right? Just to see some pretty cool stuff. So, before we roll that footage of, let's see, we're gonna roll some downtown BMX footage. I'm not really doing much BMX, like trick-wise right now. One, because, you know, I just started riding BMX a few months ago. Two, I got a bum wrist that I possibly might require surgery. Will possibly require surgery. Not might, I might whatever. Before we get into that, we're going to talk about cars. Because that's what got us here. So, as a lot of you know, I drive a 2006 Subaru STI. Was my dream car for a very, very long time, and I've outgrown it. So, trying to sell it so I could buy a BMW X5M. More space, good power, and aesthetically pleasing. So that's the goal. But those are not very easy to find. That's one of the biggest dilemmas that I'm having, biggest issues I'm having with getting an X5M. It's just so hard to find. And the ones that I do find are either overpriced or have more miles than I would like to pay for. So that's the update on the car situation. Now, let's roll some footage. Okay, peeps. Got just me and Marcus out here tonight. We are in downtown Reno, and there's a crawl going on tonight. Do something with my hair because it's all up in my face. Whatever, this will have to do. My shit's all over the place. But we are in downtown Reno. There's a crawl going on tonight, the Harry Potter crawl. So who knows what we're gonna see. We can't make this shit. It's kind of empty right now. It's still early though. Oh yeah. It's raining. It's raining. It's had to get kicked out of the casino. Yeah. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here. You know, the security's about on their way down. I got it right here. What?
Suck my oh, blood. Blood can't suck my dick.
Oh shit.
Let me catch you and you be out here again. Yes, please. You and you. Bro, I would have to take boys back. Fucking hit home runs.
Church, he dropped
the
his
cops
crack.
was always a day late and a dollar short.
Bro, he dropped his crack pipe. He said, fuck that pipe.
Like, that phone ain't even bleeding. Bullshit.
Bro, that motherfucker was leaking. He is leaking. Look at my incognito ass camera.
Bro, that nigga was playing drunk.
Yeah, he was.
I swear to God, he was drunk as fuck. He was walking over there. I already used to shoot him.
I didn't even see him walk over there.
He almost hit his ass twice manually. He just walked up on him and was saying something, mumbling like dead ass. Like he was like drunk as shit, like to the point of no return. I thought he was that. Nah, that nigga leave like that.
Oh man. Yo, what's happening? Jesus Christopher. It's about 4 in the morning. I just got home from riding downtown with Marcus. It was pretty epic. Scene wise, obviously I'm not out doing a bunch of stuff. I'm basically just riding, but I have to take a lot of breaks because my hand is pretty weak. I don't have a lot of strength in my hand. Took my MRI last week. Find out the results if I need surgery on Thursday. Basically, if you guys don't know, I had a fracture and a torn muscle in my wrist. They put a cast on it, and when they took the cast off, the doctor said that he thinks there might be a dislocated ligament from my elbow to my wrist, so that's the situation on that. Tonight was pretty nuts. What you just seen was a crackhead and a skateboarder fighting downtown. I don't even know how it started, but I think Marcus definitely said how it started, and I'm sure I'll insert it right before this. But tonight was pretty much more about cruising the city, looking for spots for the future so that we can kind of have like a set plan. Tonight we just kind of rode around the city. Didn't really get too many clips. Marcus got that 180 coming out of the El Dorado casino that you guys have already seen. But I'm going to wrap it up. I need to go start this edit because tomorrow's Sunday. Oh, excuse me. And I normally don't do anything on Sundays because of football. NFL, American football. Comment down below what you guys' favorite football team is, if you guys have a favorite football team. Thank you guys for stopping by. I appreciate all the support. A lot of you guys liked the last video, and so did I. I loved editing that video, and a lot of you really enjoyed it and seen a different view on it than I intended. A lot of you said it was inspirational, you know, to get out there and go do something, which wasn't my intention, but I'm glad it came off that way. So like I said, get out there, get active. Let's do this, people. Everybody can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Promise. But yeah, if you're not subscribed, definitely hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. I know a lot of you guys said that you didn't get a notification that the video came out. I'm pretty sure the only reason why you didn't get the notification is because you don't have the bell on. So hit that bell next to the subscribe button, and you should be getting notifications after that. Comment down below, let me know what you guys want to see in the next one. I know I'm going to be doing a bike check video on Wednesday or Thursday, and ooh, by the way, my mom comes into town from Japan tomorrow. No, I'm not Japanese. My dad's still active duty military, so they're stationed there. But my mom's coming to visit tomorrow, so I'm pretty pumped on that. I haven't seen her in like over a year. Friday, I'll probably drop a video for you guys as well on the results of what's going on with my hand. How much riding I'm gonna have to do, or be able to do, really. Whatever, I'm just starting to ramble. I'm freaking tired. Much love, everybody. Much love, everybody. Thank you all for stopping by. This is another Zach Meneses vlog. Welcome to the Meneses family. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.